DLSU to Ocean Park?
Ocean? Tara, swimming na nga tayo. Ang init ngayon.
Sakto after finals week. Malapit tapos masaya pa.
Tara guys, let's go.
3.4 kilometers. Let's hope the road doesn't get messy.
Ito ba tayo na naman?
Guys, dahil mag-Ocean Park tayo, ocean-related counter number 1.
Init tapos walang sidewalk, so...
Grabe, init yun.
First time walang payong si Bon.
Oo nga eh.
Tumitibok ang
Rino.
Hindi pa matatapos yung sun. Init kanina pa hanggang ngayon.
Kawawa naman si Messi, Chris.
Getting messed up.
nalilig ka.
2.5 kilometers.
Grabe, akala kong lapit lang pero ang hirap kasi ang init.
Bro, tinanggal ko na nga hairnet ko. Ang katikas. Sino to over?
Kasama.
Saan kayo?
Tama.
Laro ka muna ng
Spin the wheel. I dare you, spin the wheel. Set the timer and stare straight into the camera for as long as you can with...
Ba't nakapikit ka pa rin, Bon?
Guys, di ko na kaya. Di ko na kaya.
Parang the whole time nakapikit naman.
Tara lakad! So how do you feel walking in Manila right now?
Sobrang init.
So masabi mo sa sidewalk rating na?
Walang sidewalk.
0-0. Guys, may print dito over sa kami guys.
Nag-aawak ng camera, bro.
Grabe guys, usually si Bon yung monster.
Grabe guys. Uy, yung
Show off your ICS fit, then strut the runway.
Guys, sakto may runway tayo dito.
Hindi namin yan kilala ngayon. Ocean related counter 2.
Astig may Chinatown.
Guys. Keep your eyes open after applying Rotocool eye drops. Sakto ang init ngayon guys, kailan ko na-cool off yung mata ko. Rotocool eye drops.
Keep it wide, keep it wide.
Nakaka-cool talaga siya.
Okay, open lang ba?
Instant cooling relief from tired and dry eyes guys from the #1 eye care brand. Guys, nakikita nyo ang init oh. Tara, tapusin na natin.
Kagal pa ba? Gusto ko na tumingin ng isda. Guys, ito na yung hard part. Dito na tayo sa Rojas Boulevard.
Ang init! Yun na camera and mimic 5 emojis.
Hindi ko kaya, ikaw na lang, Adrian. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Ay!
Fort.
Oh, ikaw.
Pare,
Beach counter 1. Beach counter 1.
let's go, we're here! Let's go! We're finally here. Mag-eye drops na ulit ako. Grabe, sobrang dry na ng mata ko. Grabe guys, Rotocool eye drops is your go-to solution talaga for instant relief and cooling. Eye close up.
So you can get your Roto eye drops at your nearest Watson stores or Watson's online or Lazada or Shopee. And use the hashtag #FeelTheCoolDifference.
DLSU to Ocean Park.
You guys already know the drill. Comment down below where to next from DLSU.
Comment kayo sa inyo next part. Let's go.
10,000 likes, Ocean Park vlog.